Well, 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 well. Look what we have here. What's up, Adam Astro? What's up, Lucas? Alright, let's get started. Let's get fucking started, alright? Alright, this is what I'm looking at, chat. Let me see. These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for potential shorts, but I'm gonna still be looking for longs just because we don't have SMT at these highs. So as of right now, I am currently looking for longs, but if we could come back up here, sweep out these highs, create SMT, go lower, I'll take some shorts. Like, I wouldn't mind taking these longs. Okay. What's good, bro? Chilling, bro. Been working on the strat. It's honestly. Hold on, let me go. Wanna be a dope queen. She's so no. Like, I know the winning percentage. I gotta work on this winning percentage, but like, it's actually not that bad. Like, my win rate, it could definitely be better. But we're chilling, honestly. With like a almost RR of 2, which is fine. I'm gonna leave my door open. I'm gonna leave my door. The only reason why I'm not looking for shorts right now is because we don't have any SMT at the highs to give us that short confirmation to go lower. So that's why I'm looking for longs right now. We can potentially, perhaps. She's so sweet. So tight, I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, you're hungry. Hold on, let me check something real quick. I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from my heart. So if you're trying to play this song, I'm gonna leave my door open. I'm gonna leave the door open. If you look here, we have SMT at the lows here. SMT internal lows inside of this order block area, rejection block type shit. Hourly FVG filling it completely. We don't need to come lower because market structure is bullish. All right, if we come back down to this order block, this would probably be the original idea here. Or probably consequent encroachment of this here. We should come up and take it this high though. That is my draw on liquidity as of right now. But once ES takes this, okay, ES just took it. So like I said, I am bearish, but now we have SMT at these highs, right? So now I could potentially start to look for shorts to start to form here. Okay? How much profit firm capital do you think is needed to become a full-time day trader? Dude, you can like make money off of 50Ks if you want. You just gotta be like funded with a certain amount of capital. I do see what you're talking about. Like maybe like all you really need to live comfortably is probably like 350Ks. Fundeds. I told you this is the draw on liquidity. Dude, my bias has been getting like right low key a lot though. I'm not gonna lie. For the fountain. Yeah, now there is SMT. There's no SMT at the highs just yet, right? I should have just entered, but the risk would have been fucking terrible. And plus, I want to go heavier on these accounts. I'm looking for shorts now. I'm looking for shorts, but I need to see SMT at the highs. This is the NASDAQ. Is the music too loud? Let me know. 5-4 unprofitable Asian, bro. Too soon to be profitable, bro. Soon to be profitable type shit. Hold up. Waiting for equilibrium of this range. Okay, so we're in equilibrium of this range here. Looking for potential this order block here on 15-minute. Or we could wait for this here. We sweep this. SMT. I'll go ahead and take a small stab here. Shorts. Target 2R. Oh my goodness. Fuck me, man. Okay. It played out perfectly. That's the thing, like I gotta understand where like price wants to go, bruv. Unfortunate. Shorts located here, I'm not gonna lie. Too many sweats, bro. I can't do this. I can't do this. The entry? But the entry was fire, bro. What do you mean? Entry was fire. Order block. Order SMT, order block. Inside a high time for PD array in a premium area of inside of a premium area. You just get stopped out, bro. Unfortunate. All you do is backtest and lose. You know the market's open, right? Yeah, no, I know, bro. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for the actual live markets to give me something. I'm just warming up, bro. I'm just warming up, bruv. I want to see this low right here. Wow, okay, this just chopped. Okay. Just chopped, wow. Okay, so we end up creating SMT at these lows. Alright, so I end up creating SMT at the lows here between ESN and Q. And taking both sides of the range. This is my... I'm looking for potential shorts here. No, I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs. Let's go ahead and see what happens here. 15-minute. This is my area of range. Okay, so we're inside of this equilibrium of this range. Right now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a sweep of internal. Again, a sweep of liquidity. I'm like not even taking this seriously. Alright. Okay. Target 2R here. Let's see if we can get like a order block entry here. No fucking way. Brother. Brother. Oh my goodness, bro. How do we not get filled by a tick, bro? That's crazy. That's actually crazy to me, man. We're just respecting this fucking dumbass fair value gap, bro. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna get pissed off. I gotta chill. Bro, trust me. This is trading's easy, bro. Why are you back to when market's open, bro? I'm just like I'm warming up. I'm warming up. Thanks, Q. You helped me figure out my strat. I take opposite trades. You take. Brother. Oh, brother. Guys, important news. April 7th through April 14th, bro. How you been trading, boss? I've been honestly, I'm up on the account, which is good. I'm up about 1.6. I'm just fucking waiting for shorts to give me. I'm just waiting for the market to give me an opportunity to go shorts. Good work, bro. You're gonna be profitable one day just cause you work what others hate. No, facts. How long have we tried? I've been trading for about 2 years. That should used to happen to me. Use the close outside of the inverse figure out as your entry, and you're good. No, facts. I don't use inverse for value gaps. I'm in longs, bro. Targeting the volume balance. WWW. We're at max expansion here, so I want to see potential shorts start to play out here. Well, the time gone, baby, it's all that I've been faithful to. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Hold up. I'm looking for longs, believe it or not. Looking for longs here, chat. Alright, we ended up sweeping SMT. Where's the last low that got broken through? Here, right? This low. Wow, the market structure shift is like so fucking far. That's all the way. This is the market structure shift, in my opinion. Just waiting. Okay, so we don't get a market structure shift, so we don't take it. Okay, so we come down, break below the low here. Boom. Okay. Market structure shift. SMT. This is the entry here. This should hit. Alright. Oh! Oh, brother. I think I'm cooked. Low key. I think I'm cooked. I think I'm cooked. I genuinely... Am I cooked? Nah, I'm good. Alright, okay. So now... Okay, if we come back down to this OB... Wait, this is the dealing range from here to here. Okay, so now this is the new dealing range. We're already balanced. Damn, bro. I'm just cooked, bro. Holy. I'm just fucking cooked. Inverse for value gaps. Inverse for value gaps. Let's see what happens here. We're at max expansion here. I'm looking for potential shorts to give me an opportunist to give me an opportunist. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. I knew we were at max expansion. Looking for shorts or look for longs. I'm my own mentor. Short at 23.57. I'll take your word for it, bro. I'll take your word for it. I gotta check something on my MacBook. Nah, we're gonna slow down some point here. D-Check news. I forgot. Oh, we had PMI. I didn't even realize we had. Oh, I didn't even realize we had PMI. Oh, it was this big ass wick. Alright, we have SMT these highs. Now, where's my market structure shift? Down here. Have you bought the new coin? No, I have not. I forgot to check news, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I forgot to check news. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Why are you bearish? Because we're already at max expansion here. Put on some ninja music. I bet. I just don't want to get banned again, bro. Take my signal. What's the signal, bro? What's the signal? I'm a signal bot. Yo, Mabu. Bro, my mom made some egg rolls, bro. I'm about to fucking munch on those before at the gym. I'm not gonna lie. Some fucking egg rolls, man. That's me. Bro, egg rolls are fire, bro. Dip it in get some egg rolls, dip it in some sweet and sour sauce, bro. It's like fucking crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, Lil Mabu's technically black, bro. Honestly, fuck it. He's technically black. Oh, let me put on my $1,000 watch really quick. Yes, bro. I make 20 G's a month. Move because I'm fight delayed. You guys understand, like, what is the goal in making money, right? What is the goal in making money? What is the goal in trading? Is to make money, right? So theoretically, one-to-ones are probably best. What is the goal in making money, right? Or what is the goal in trading? Just to make money, right? So who cares if we're catching these 2R trades? All we need is one-to-ones with a high percentage win rate, and we're chilling, right? Pick one. All right. No, but I like 2Rs. Live all on the factory rims. I got a name, yours are very really a threat. I got juice in my safe that I dumb in and wet. So I'm saying 1R, like I keep telling myself like it's not going through my head. It's like to be honest, it's not going through my head. Like I need to start going like 1Rs, bro. Realistically speaking, like what is the goal in trading? The goal is to make money, right? TikTok has definitely filled my brain with like, oh, like 10 RR trades, blah blah. Like the point in trading is to make money, right? So who gives a fuck if you have 2R? All you need is 1R or 0.2R. It doesn't matter. We can go bent for bent. My track record is low-key not bad though. 61% win rate. We can go bent for bent. Fuck that. We can go M for M. When the made by truck, double R on the factory rims. I got a name, very really that I got juice in the pace that I don't even wet. I got a juice in my safe that I don't even wet. Nah, I gotta like. Nah, I don't journal now. There's no point in journaling. What's between egg and spring rolls? Spring rolls is like. Spring rolls is with the white covering, and the egg rolls is like the deep fried oil. Count. This is my drawn liquidity. I'll give small stab here, longs here. But hold on, I'm like kind of hesitant in here because we do have an unfilled 5-minute here inside of this dealing range, so I'm gonna wait for that. Dirty cup, double cup, double up. Yeah, that's why I figured. Yeah, I need to see this 5-minute get tapped, and this could hold though. This could hold. This would have been a trade. This would have, because now we have SMT at these highs or at these lows. Like this would have been my entry here. But I want to see if price tap this 5-minute gap. This could hold like this. Like I said, this could hold. That's why I can't FOMO. You're right. I can't FOMO here. I'm gonna wait. Every different. Know me that I was different, and I listened. Girls competition. Yeah, I lit it. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's what I want to see. When I say what I want to see here, that's what I want to see in order for me to even take the positions to be longs. 5-minute on ES. Yeah, I see. It's not. We haven't tapped it on ES just yet. Because technically that is the dealing range. But I've been using order blocks a lot more. I'm in my head, damn it, I think too much. On bankroll. Is this a high? Honestly, I might wait for this like 5-minute order block here. This is because this is my 15-minute dealing range. I'm not gonna lie. This is my 15-minute dealing range since we broke above this high. It's not even a high. Yeah, since we broke above this high. This is my 5-minute dealing range. We're inside this 5-minute gap, but this is inside of a premium. But if we do create this order block, I'll go ahead and take a small stab shorts or longs. Because now we have SMT at these lows here. But I realistically do want to see this order block here. This 5-minute order block. Think too much. If we come down to this 5-minute OB here, I'll potentially start to look for shorts. Or longs. Fuck. We do have this order block here on the 15-minute here also. That's in a premium. That's in a discount. But this right here is also propulsion block on the 5-minute. I was bulletproof. I want to see price come back down to these levels here. 51 minute. Yeah, no, I see that. Yeah. But if you go on the 5-minute, this is your order block. We come down, tap the order block. Now this is now your propulsion block. We don't want to see 50% mark of this propulsion block here, so that's good. So that's where that's like where I'm looking at right now. All right, this is good. If we come back to the 15-minute, that'd be nice too. All right, we're timing out to this 15-minute fair value gap. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a like order block here. I don't want to ask you. Hold on, what is my risk here? I have to predefine my risk here. You're funded with alpha? Yes, I am. Alright, I'm gonna give small stab longs here.
Order filled.
And then my stop's at this low. And then if we come back down to consequent encroachment of this order block here, I'll go ahead and take it. I'll go ahead and take another 2 here. But once ES takes out this high, then I'll get out. And plus, if we inverse this gap here, I'll add both my positions here. You thought that I would stay friends, bitch. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Yeah, this is on the combine.
Order filled.
All right, I'm filled at this order block. This is my stop loss here. Let's see what happens. I'm in with 3 cons. Beautiful. Just be calm, be patient. This should do what you want to do. I don't trade inverses. If we honestly inverse this gap here, I'll go ahead and add. If we inverse this gap here, I'll go ahead and add. This looks good. I don't trade inversions. I can think I can't anything. This looks good. I'm adding another position here. Alright. I think I might just get out of here, honestly. Yeah. I'll just get out of here. Yeah, I'll just get out of here. Alright. Beautiful, baby. Easy. 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 W. Bad emotions. Okay, listen. Listen. Did I not just give you guys a fucking rant about 1-to-1s is the easiest way to make money? Like, going for these high risk RR is fucking ridiculous, right? And guess what? My thing is, I need to stop taking partials, right? Stop taking partials and just fucking go all out, bro. Because, like, what I recently learned is that, look at that, it would have hit beautifully. It doesn't really matter. All right, so my thing is, this was technically my risk here type shit. Like, when you, it's fairly easy. Like, when you take partials, for me, whenever I was taking partials, I was losing way more than I won, because I would take partials and then hit break even, right? And then when I did lose, I would lose a lot of money. So I decided to just go all out, take good trades. This was a beautiful trade, I'm not gonna lie. Listen, we come down, tap this 15-minute order block, higher type and POI, order block, violated the order block, but as soon as we even wick this high, this order block high, that's my entry. And what gave me even more confidence was because if you look at ES had done it way faster than InQ, so therefore I got an early entry. And then boom, I got him with one contract. I was like, okay, look, I'm gonna wait one contract, and then the price comes back down to consequent encroachment of this order block. Boom, that's my other entry. Boom, 2 cons here. Added another contract after we end versus gap. Got out early, whatever. Yeah, that's literally it. Target this. That's it. My heart was like, it was like, okay, I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of pumping, but it's like, I knew this is something that I see every fucking day, so it's like, I'm chilling. I made about 1.5K today. This is the P&L today. I'm telling you guys, I've been trading the strategy, and this is how much I'm up this whole week. Or this is obviously the week just started, but this is how much. This is the statistics of the strat that I've been trading. This is it. Yeah, these are eval accounts. Like I said, if you go to Alpha Futures, they give you the best possible, like, fucking drawdowns, right? Like, like on Alpha Futures, you're able to lose $4,000, bro. You're able to lose $4,000, and I need that shit. You know what I mean? Because I usually lose a lot, right? So it's like, I need the maximum drawdown. I need the best drawdown possible. So, like, if you're kind of trash a little bit and you want to start, this is the best profit for you, bro. Trust me. Like, fucking the profit target is still the same for Top Step and everything else, right? Boom. Same with Alpha Futures. The profit target is 6,000, and plus you get to lose more than you are with other prop firms. And the consistency rule is only 50%, which is really good. No trails, enough drawdown. And if you guys want more statistics here, like, this is it. This is it right here, etc. They do not do 200K counts. Oh shit, this is the wrong thing. I think it's assessment. Yeah, this is it. And guess what? If you do the advanced plan, there's no. If you do the advanced plan, there's a standard plan and there's an advanced plan. The advanced plan is obviously more expensive. Yeah. And guess what? The advanced plan for the 150K profit target is 12,000, but you're able to lose $5,000 if you do, right? So, but if you do the standard plan, it's the same profit target as everything else. 6,000 drawdown, 9,000 profit target, etc. Price per month, dude. Once you pass it, you're fine. Payouts. Let me show you guys. You get 90-10% profit share here. Cause you know how like Topset changed their rules to like only $5,000 in payouts, you can get up to $15,000 in payouts. Way better. And it's bi-weekly, right? But it's the same thing as $200 per day on the fucking if you're a good trader, $200 a day is fucking nothing, right? No, so let me show you guys. I'm on Combines, right? But they do have a Discord. They do have a Discord, Alpha Futures. I don't know if you guys know what Alpha Capital is. Alpha Capital is the same thing as Alpha Futures, right? Alpha Capital is the same thing as Alpha Futures, and they're just transitioning, or they just have another thing for futures. But yeah, this is the trade, $1,500 this week. Look at that. This would have hit beautifully. Wow. Bro, I've never gotten paid out. I'm unprofitable. I'm fucking unprofitable, bruv. No. I'm done trading for the day. I'm at 1,500. I'm good. I'm good. I'm up 103 on the account. We're almost funded. Is this power strat? No. But I'll tell you guys a secret right now. I will tell you guys a secret right fucking now. Soap, Powell, everybody else that bottom ticks, that apparently bottom ticks, they don't bottom tick. They use order blocks. They use order blocks, okay? Hear me out right now. They use order blocks. They do not buy below lows, sell above highs. They use order blocks. They use consequent encroachment of order blocks, right? Guarantee you, some fucking guru took this right here, right? That's why their stop loss is so small, and it looks like they are bottom ticking, right? Because they'll be on the 15-second right here. They'll be on the 15-second and just go here, boom, or even 5-second right here, boom. Enter off here, and yeah, that's literally it. I am not profitable, TT. Yes, I go live every day. It's rejection block. No, they use rejection blocks and order blocks. That's all they use. This is the 1 minute. Why are you not profitable? Not yet. Not yet. I'm working on it. Pray to God helps you become profitable. Not facts. Thank you, bro. I'm gonna need it, bro. I'm gonna need it. The only reason why I took this long is because, well, I sound like a fucking guru right now. I'm not gonna lie. Equilibrium. Order block. Equilibrium. 15-minute order block. Tapped it beautifully. Boom. Order block here on the 1 minute confirmation. Yes, some people would have been like, okay, inversion fair value gap. Boom. The thing is, these inversion fair value gaps, bro, if you were to enter, your stop loss is so wide, bro. Your stop loss is so wide, man. Which course should I watch? You should watch my course, bro. Join my course. It's only $3,000 a month. No, I was kidding. I don't have a course. I was just kidding. I don't have a course. But I would just watch like soap. Or I would just. Oh, my best Alfie. Oh, that's just my new strategy. I've been using rejection blocks and order blocks, or consequent encroachment of order blocks. Thing is, like, I usually just watch TJRs. Stay, bro, stay. You cut too fast your trades. No, the thing is, like, the goal is to make money. That's the fucking goal. The goal is to make money. When you end the trade, have a stop loss. Have a set strategy. Take profits when you want to. That's literally it. Well, I use rejection blocks and order blocks. We hit the highway 155 with my whole foot on the dash. What time frame should you look for order blocks? So I'll tell you this. Someone once told me, like, some people say, oh, wait for the change in state of delivery. But the thing is, the first candle, it is the order block, right? It's just like time is fractal. So therefore, this right here is your order block on the 5 minute. But if you want an earlier entry, this 1 minute is your order block, not the whole thing. That's just what I've learned. Why do you think I wasn't afraid of this inversion fair value gap? I was, obviously, duh. It's a fucking fair value gap, right? But then, like, we broke above it and everything. Yeah, so, Mikhail FX, you're right. It's not an order block until price closes above it. But I've been working, what I've been trying is once it wicks above it, and after tapping a higher time frame PD array, then it validates me. It validates me. It gives me a validation. So I take it regardless. After it hits a higher time of POI in my opposing, in my direction that I'm looking for. Yes, I did take longs. But it doesn't validate that you took an order block entry. Yeah, no, so the thing is, like, I don't know what it is, but I've been working on this. Like, once we invalidate the wick of the order block, the highest wick of the down close candle, or for example the down close candle here, I take it regardless. Basically, no, it was not luck, bro. I've done this so many times. I've been back testing a lot, like a lot, behind the scenes, behind the doors. Like, who knows? I might lose tomorrow. But the risk would be light. The risk would be light. I went 3 contracts in here. It's an order block. Yeah, I'll also call the model 1 type shit. I take long as well, but how do I need to know whether the fair value is holding or not? It's just higher time frame. Like it's just. I sound like a fucking guru. How do you know the fair value is gonna hold? You don't. You don't know if it's gonna hold or not. You really don't. You just gotta like understand like higher time from order flow, because like right here, right? At first, I was initially looking for shorts, right? But if you go on the 15 minute, we have a dealing range, a bullish dealing range, right? A bullish dealing range from this low to this high, and plus. We didn't have SMT at the highs internally. So therefore, theoretically, I'm anticipating these bearish PD arrays to not hold because 15 minute, we have the dealing range, and 1 minute here, we have no SMT. No, I validate order blocks once we wick above it. I don't need to see a close. I just want to see a wick above it. Do you drink a lot? Nah, I don't drink. Well, I do. I drank like a week ago, but like I don't really drink. Nah. Have you gotten a payout before? Once. What's good, Mitsufu? Like, see how we like I didn't use any SMT at the lows, right? Because I knew I was in the dealing range. Discount. Order block, entry. Did you took that? Yes, I did take that. I'm up 1,500 on the combine today. Gang, aren't you So's mentor? Why are you still trading this? Because So doesn't, if I'm being completely honest, like, I'm not in his lifetime. You need to be in his lifetime for him to, like, I guess, mentor you. I'm just in his premium. And plus, he doesn't really talk. So, he doesn't really talk in his Discord. Yeah, no, I'm not in his lifetime. What happened to with that TikTok chick? Oh no, she didn't reply. She didn't reply, bro. I'm a fucking delivered. Explain the trade analysis. Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me do this really quick. LeBron missed. LeBron missed. Oh, hold up. Yeah, I'm a delivered. Let's put it that way. I'm a delivered. All right, this is the last time I'm gonna explain the trade recap. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get off the stream. Yeah. So basically, I was initially looking for shorts here, standard deviation. We were at -4, so I was anticipating a reversal towards the downside, right? So, but we didn't get that, right? Obviously, right? For reversals, I want to see like a market structure shift to the 2022 model, right? Which we didn't get with SMT paired, which we didn't get. So theoretically, I'm bullish, right? So here from this low to this high, that's my dealing range, right? So then I saw this I saw these down move here, right? This down move here, there was no SMT at these highs, right? And yes, look at that. We have a market structure shift. We have our 2022 model right here. We have a 2022 model here. Broke structure towards the downside with a fair value gap, right? But the thing is, why did I take this? It's because we didn't have any SMT at the highs. No SMT at the highs is like giving me not a confirmation, because if you want to see a point of reversal, you want to see SMT, right? So there is no reversal here, no SMT. So theoretically, now I'm like, okay, look, we have no SMT at the highs. So this is my current dealing range, this low to this high. We tap this 15-minute order block right here inside of a discount area. We come up, order block. I entered one position here, and entered more positions at this consequent encroachment of this area, of this order block, and then wrote it up to these to here. That's literally it. SMT or not, I didn't look at it, so that's why I didn't consider it. There's no SMT here, but that's literally it. Alright, guys. I'm going to go ahead and end the stream here. Took a nice little fucking W today. If you guys are new, make sure you guys go use the Alpha Futures. Once I get funded, who knows, a potential giveaway for Alpha Futures. But you have to buy it so I can pull it out of the name. You feel me? Alright. Literally it. Other than that, I will catch you guys all tomorrow. Hopefully I don't get banned. Hopefully.